You're watching WMBD This Morning.
Welcome back. OSF Healthcare's lung cancer program is receiving national recognition, especially for positive outcomes after surgery.
That's right. Dr. Richard Anderson joins us now. He's a thoracic surgeon at OSF, as well as the chair and Norman, is it Estes professor?
Estes, yep.
Estes professor. All right. Thank you. At the University of Illinois College of Medicine, Peoria. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, you bet.
And I know you have a busy day ahead as well, but in the meantime, if you could tell us about the national recognition the lung cancer program at OSF is receiving.
Sure. So the Society of Thoracic Surgeons reports out data on a quarterly basis of how we do as far as taking care of lung cancer patients. And we have consistently ranked very high, but we're ranking even higher than we have for a little while in the national recognition scale.
Wow. That is pretty awesome. And what impact does OSF Cancer Institute have on these services? Can you go into that some?
Yeah, so the Lung Cancer Institute really helped formalize everybody coming together at one place, and that's really kind of brought a bigger team together, and I think that's why we're receiving more recognition now, is because it's a bigger team.
Good deal. Yeah.
What is some of that criteria that goes into that? I mean, is it how you work together? What exactly is it?
It really has to do with the specialties that work around lung cancer. So it's thoracic surgeons, pulmonologists, radiologists, pathologists, oncologists, and radiation oncologists. So it's a whole group of us, let alone the nursing staff and the support staffs that are all around there too as well.
Sure. So it sounds like a one-stop shop for the patient who is in need of care, who has lung cancer. Can you talk about the reaction you get from patients who come in and they're served in every way like they are with the different doctors you have on staff?
Sure, so that's actually a great way of explaining it. People can come in right now and they get everything done all in one place. They can get it done in 1 or 2 days. They can have the opportunity then to meet with their care providers on a much more rapid basis and decide what they want as far as their care goes. So it's really patient-centered, and it really helps speed up the process of patients getting worked up and evaluated for cancer. Because when somebody tells you have cancer, everybody gets pretty scared about it because it's a pretty scary thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I mean, you were saying that you believe that this award was really given because you've seen the staff grow and you've seen the transformation that OSF has gone through. So how have you seen the lung cancer program grow and improve over the years?
Yeah, well, that's great. So I've been an attending here for over 26 years, and so this has been my dream and my goal the whole time.
Yeah.
And it's been a culmination of being able to bring people together and put people together in the right places and get the people in the right places to make this all work. And then it sounds kind of scary, but it wasn't until 2015 that there was actually a lung cancer screening program approved by Medicare, and that they would actually pay for it. And so it's been very recently that we've had the opportunity to screen patients and get them diagnosed much sooner rather than later on in their presentations.
Wow. Absolutely. So what do you think it means for Central Illinois to have resources like the Cancer Institute in Peoria, to have it nearby, to have it in our backyards? What do you think that really does for the community here?
Well, I think that puts us on a much higher playing level compared to a lot of the bigger institutions that you hear out there, like the Northwesterns, the Mayo Clinics, the Cleveland Clinics. So we really are working on catching up to them, if not ahead of them in some areas.
I think we're ahead. I'm claiming it.
Yeah,
I do too.
I was going to say, we'll just tell you guys that. No, but I mean, getting screening for lung cancer is so important. So we want to thank you for making sure that this is known, and for winning this award is a huge honor. So we want to thank you for joining us this morning and talking about it.
You're welcome anytime.
Thank you. And we'll share all those details on our website, ciproud.com. Just click on the WMBD This Morning tab under News.